I am kicking off the morning in Kalamazoo, Michigan. This guy named Handy Dan, this YouTube guy up and coming, talking me into going fishing. For some reason, I need a passport. We need a passport to go fishing. You just need fishing license. So anyway, we're kicking off the morning. Not bright and early, but it looks a little hazy, you know, humid and stuff. Got Panther Park right there. And we're getting ready to bust out of here. Stop number 2. 12 miles down the road. We got a fan running in there. So either the engine is hot from all this stress of towing this boat and all our gear, or he's got a coolant temp sensor out of whack. We tied this cover on, but man, we must not have had enough ties because this thing is shredded in the back. But it don't look like it's getting any worse. Just as bad as it was when it started shredding. So I think we're going to be good to go where it is. Don't look like anybody's stowed away on the highway. And we're going to keep it trucking. Crossing the Mackinac Bridge. Man, look at that water. What lake is this?
Have you been to Mackinac before? Mackinac Island?
I don't think so.
Right off here.
What lake is this, you know?
Lake Michigan to the left,
Okay.
and Lake Huron to the right.
Oh, really? This separates them. So there ain't land under us.
Oh, so this is the Straits of Mackinac. Yeah, so we refer to the mitten as the lower peninsula.
Uh-huh.
And then the upper is the upper peninsula.
Okay.
And then, you know, this I think it was built in the 50s. Anyway, it connects to.
It's a Harlem Bridge. Good Lord.
Yeah.
Wonder how many miles
It's
crosses
5
it.
miles long.
5 miles? And they want you to go across it slow, huh?
Yeah, the speed limit.
Speed limit is 45. That's where
I
that
think it
thing
might
goes
only be
fast.
35.
Loaded trucks 20, speed limit 45.
Yeah, every so many years they have to paint it.
Looks beautiful.
Or I think it takes them a while, so they start, by the time they finish, they have to start the other end again.
Yeah. Like an old house. So nobody likes the noise of that metal part.
That gets me there. Yeah.
Here we go, folks. We are leaving the great USA behind.
Have you been into Canada before?
As a child, you know, I mean, if you want to call Niagara Falls leaving
Yeah, counts.
going in the
The
Canada.
major, you know, Sault Ste. Marie and Niagara Falls and Windsor.
And this on the other side is considered Ontario.
Yep. So there's the Canadian Sioux
A lot of ports over there.
and then Michigan Sioux.
Okay. So they got the locks down there.
Yeah.
So this bridge goes up and down and up again.
Yeah, a lot of salmon fishing through there.
Oh wow, that looks beautiful.
Yeah. Should see some fishermen down there.
Fishing off the banks.
Yeah, fishing off the rocks and that. Usually you'll see a few of them.
Even this time of year.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
first big town? Where is this town, you know?
This is Sault Ste. Marie.
Okay.
So there's the Michigan Sault Ste. Marie, and then there's the Canadian Sault Ste. Marie.
Okay.
Kind of a neat French town. Track and it falls down Lake Erie.
We are officially next, folks. That's how much time has elapsed for the vehicles that have gone through. And I'm gonna pull up my barcode so we can get through this checkpoint. And when you see a railroad crossing down, you might want to stop. Passenger train. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.